Hello, it's me Happy and welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Tech, where you learn tips and tricks how you can do easy phone stylus trick almost instantly. Today we are going to use a stylus, how to make your own stylus as a trick. You are going to take a battery, a double battery, and you are going to make sure that the plus sign is toward the bottom and the negative sign is toward the top as shown above, and you can use it on your phone just like a regular stylus. Please note that this may harm your phone after a while and it can cause scratches if you are not careful. Please understand that this is for emergency uses only and it may scratch your phone in a long run. That was a quick tips whenever you need to use a stylus and you don't access to the regular stylus. You can use this trick to solve your problem. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed and like what you've seen, please subscribe and leave a comment down below and like and hit the notification bell.
By the way, if you want to learn how to make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you could subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.